Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Shiny and welcome to another vlog. I usually vlog my whole day, like the day in my life or something, but for today's video I thought of let's just vlog the morning routine. I just woke up and the very first thing I usually do after I wake up is a little exercise, only for my neck and for my shoulders, because I have to constantly work like this in this position. So from last few months my neck and shoulder pain was really bad, so I started doing a little exercise. It does not take long, like it's just for 15 to 20 minutes and that's it. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna quickly do that. Okay guys, so I'm done with my little exercise. Now I'm gonna brush my teeth, freshen up my face, and then I will have my breakfast. So I'm done brushing my teeth and I look terrible. Wait, I'm back. I put a little eyeliner and lipstick just to look a little more decent, and now I will have my breakfast. And while having my breakfast I always go through my phone. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'm done with my breakfast and today is my hair wash day, and if you know me then you know I usually wash my hair twice or thrice a week. Everyday hair wash is not actually good for your hair. It actually makes your scalp, the roots of your hair really weak, and you will end up having a lot of hair fall problem. Also you can see the halat of my hair. ये तो फिर भी ठीक है. You should have seen this few weeks back. It was so freaking dry. I was having too much hair fall problem back then. Every year I highlight my hair ends, and for that I have to apply bleach on my hair, and bleach is really dangerous for your hair. It just makes your hair really dry, rough, frizzy, पूरा moisture चला जाता है, and I always end up having split ends and really damaged hair, and then I had to cut my hair, which I hate. I love long hair, तो इस बार मैंने अपने आप को promise की है कि I won't color my hair, I won't cut my hair, and I will take care of it a lot more. And for that I needed to find me a good hair oil, because oiling is the best solution for frizzy, damaged, rough hair. And then I found this new launch from Wow Skin Science. It's their rice husk and lavender hair oil, and guys, this hair oil is all I was looking for. And the best part about Wow Skin Science is they use all natural ingredients across all their products. So this hair oil does not contain any harmful ingredients like mineral oil, sulfate, parabens, silicone, etc., which is amazing. Now let's apply this. This is the texture of the oil. You can see how light it is, not those chip-chipa sticky kind of hair oil, and I absolutely love the smell of this. It smells so good guys, like pure lavender. It's really mild and really sweet fragrance. I don't like using oils and shampoos which has really strong fragrance because I get headache from them. So I always look for hair products which has really mild smell, just like this one. So I was a person who never really liked using hair oils, just because usually hair oils are really sticky and greasy. But for sake of my hair's health, I have started using hair oils, and especially this Wow Skin Science Rice Husk Lavender Hair Oil is just so perfect. It's like super lightweight, it's non-greasy, non-sticky, and I can even keep it for one whole day long and it does not bother me. This hair oil contains all natural ingredients like rice husk oil, castor oil, coconut oil, and lavender essential oil, etc. So I like to massage the hair oil on my scalp first, and then I sprayed it all over my hair, जो भी हाथ में बचा होता है वो. I love long hair, as I said, but once it goes over this, my hair starts looking really frizzy, dull. So I was looking for a hair oil or a hair product that actually could add some moisture and shine to my hair, as well as stimulates my weak hair roots to stop the hair fall problem. And this Wow Skin Science Rice Husk Lavender Hair Oil is just perfect for that. But obviously this is a hair oil, not a magic wand that can fix your hair overnight. There is no such product that can fix your problem overnight. So in one sentence, you have to be patient and keep applying this hair oil, and the natural ingredients of this hair oil will make your hair moisturized, healthier, stronger, shinier, etc. Eventually, slowly but surely. I have been using this hair oil from 2 to 3 weeks now, and I can clearly see the difference after every use. My hair texture is really getting better, so it definitely works for me, and you should also try this Wow Skin Science Rice Husk and Lavender Hair Oil. Wow Skin Science uses science to enhance all the ingredients they use to create best-in-class formulation. You can scan the QR code to check the authenticity of the product, and Wow Skin Science provides exciting offers for those who scan it. They also have a Wow Skin Science app on iOS and Android. I have linked the product in my description box, so don't forget to check it out. Also, I would suggest drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water every day. Fix your diet, like include more vegetables, fruits, proteins in your everyday diet to grow your hair naturally. Use hair products which are sulfate and paraben free. Try to do hair massage once in a week. Ask your mom to do it for you. That really helps boosting blood circulation, which actually helps hair grow. So now I will keep the hair oil for 1 hour and then I will wash my hair, and meanwhile I will make the to-do list for today and plan some upcoming content for YouTube and Instagram. My birthday is coming next month, so I was planning to make a birthday series for this year. For that I will be posting videos every day the entire my birthday week. My birthday is on 11th September, so I will be start posting the videos from 4th September. So for that I have to plan a lot of things, I have to shoot a lot of things, and I am really excited for this, guys. I just love my birthday. I basically love birthdays. So comment down below your birthday. Okay, so I'm done with the planning. Now I'm gonna take my shower. बिल्कुल पसीना पसीना हो गई हूँ. इतनी humidity है कि क्या बताऊँ. I'm not gonna use any shampoo today. I'm gonna keep it for 1 day. And आज shoot भी नहीं है, तो I'm gonna keep it. So yeah, I'm gonna take my shower now. So I took my shower and I feel so fresh. My hair feels so light even after using a hair oil, which is great. Now I'm gonna moisturize my whole body, my face, my body, everything. Never skip moisturizing your skin. No matter what skin type you have, what season it is, don't skip moisturizing your skin. Your skin needs hydration even in summer. Also, I have just received this parcel, this box full of accessories like earrings, hair clips, from this Instagram store called the Trendy Pitara. I'm not gonna show you guys क्या क्या है इसमें. उसके लिए you have to follow me on my Instagram. I will make a little haul video there. So I'm done with everything. I feel so fresh, so relaxed, so calming. And now I'm gonna start with my to-do list, which are basically editing, planning and scripting for the whole day. Also, that was all about my morning routine. That's how my morning looks like. So I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope it was helpful and you enjoyed watching. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Comment and share this video, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.